They are the clowns of the canopy, the master linguists of the avian world, and perhaps the most misunderstood geniuses of nature. When we think of parrots, we often picture a pirate's companion or a colorful pet repeating hello in a cage. But the reality? It is far more complex and fascinating. Did you know that some parrots have the cognitive abilities of a 5-year-old human child? Or that they are the only birds capable of eating with their feet, like hands? From the frozen mountains of New Zealand to the steaming jungles of the Amazon, parrots are an evolutionary marvel. Welcome back to the Wildlife Lab. Today, we are cracking the code of the Psittaciformes to understand what truly makes a parrot a parrot. Let's fly in. To understand them, we must first look at their family tree. There are roughly 400 species of parrots found across the globe, predominantly in the southern hemisphere. Scientists divide them into 3 main superfamilies: the true parrots, the cockatoos, and the New Zealand parrots. While they vary wildly in size, from the tiny, buff-faced pygmy parrot, which is smaller than your thumb, to the majestic hyacinth macaw, stretching over a meter long, they all share key traits. Look closely. They all have a curved, powerful beak designed to crack nuts and zygodactyl feet. That means 2 toes point forward and 2 point backward, giving them an incredible grip for climbing and manipulating objects. But it's not just their anatomy that separates them from the rest of the bird kingdom, it's their minds. If there is one thing that defines a parrot, it is intelligence. For decades, scientists underestimated bird brains, but recent studies have shattered those assumptions. The ratio of brain to body size in parrots is comparable to that of primates. Take the African gray parrot, for instance, most famously represented by Alex, a subject of scientist Irene Pepperberg. Alex didn't just mimic words, he understood concepts like shape, color, and number. He could identify a red block from a blue one and even express frustration. Then there is the Kia from New Zealand. Known as the clown of the Alps, these alpine parrots are notorious for dismantling cars and unlocking heavy bins to get food. Their problem-solving skills rival those of chimpanzees. They don't just act on instinct, they plan, they assess, and they learn. In the wild, this intelligence is crucial for survival, helping them remember the location of fruit trees across miles of dense forest. But why do they talk? In the wild, parrots are extremely social creatures. They don't live in isolation. They thrive in complex societies. That talking ability is actually a result of vocal learning. Unlike most birds that are born knowing their calls, parrots must learn their language from their parents and peers. In the dense canopy where visibility is low, specific calls act as names. Yes, parents name their chicks, and those chicks keep that signature call for life. When a parrot mimics human speech in captivity, it is essentially trying to integrate you into its flock. It's a social bonding mechanism. They are trying to speak your language because to them, you are family. Their social bonds are incredibly strong. Many species, like macaws, represent the epitome of romance in the animal kingdom. They are monogamous and mate for life. You will often see them flying in pairs within a larger flock, a bond that is only broken by death. Parrots are not just intelligent residents of the forest, they are the architects of it. They are primarily herbivores, feasting on seeds, nuts, fruits, and buds. Here is where they play a critical role. They are messy eaters. As they fly long distances, they drop seeds across the forest floor, effectively planting the next generation of trees. Without parrots, many rainforest ecosystems would struggle to regenerate. But their diet leads to one of the most spectacular sights in nature, the clay licks. In the Amazon, hundreds of macaws gather on riverbanks to eat clay. Why? Scientists believe the clay neutralizes toxins found in the unripe seeds they eat and provides essential sodium that is missing from their diet. It is a kaleidoscope of color and chaos, and a true wonder of the natural world. Now, we have to address the elephant in the room. Because of their beauty and brains, parrots are among the most popular pets in the US and Europe, but they are also the most abandoned. Owning a parrot is not like owning a dog or a cat. It is a lifestyle commitment. Large parrots, like cockatoos and macaws, can live for 60 to 80 years. That is a multi-generational commitment. They require hours of social interaction daily, they are incredibly loud, and they can be destructive if bored. While they make amazing companions for the right person, it is vital to understand that these are wild spirits that never truly underwent domestication like dogs did. If you love them, research is key, and adoption from rescues is always the best path. Sadly, the popularity of parrots has come at a price. Today, nearly 1/3 of all parrot species are threatened with extinction. Habitat loss and the illegal pet trade have decimated populations. The Spix's macaw was declared extinct in the wild, though captive breeding programs are working to reintroduce them. The kakapo of New Zealand, a flightless, nocturnal parrot, has fewer than 250 individuals left. But there is hope. Conservation organizations across the globe are working tirelessly to protect nesting sites and crack down on poaching. We are the stewards of this planet, and it is our duty to ensure the skies remain filled with their vibrant colors. From their cognitive brilliance to their vibrant feathers, parrots are a testament to nature's creativity. They remind us that intelligence comes in many forms and that communication transcends species. If you enjoyed diving into the world of parrots, make sure to hit that like button. Which parrot species do you find the most fascinating? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the Wildlife Lab for more deep dives into the animal kingdom. Until next time, stay wild.